Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. This dish is very simple to cook. It is based on the basic chicken stir-fry template. I make some minor modifications of how I season the chicken, and I add a couple more ingredients, and that's about it. However, with these minor modifications, I come up with a very different chicken dish. So okay, let's go into the kitchen and get started. I put about 2 tablespoons of canola oil in my immerser like cast iron wok. I'm going to start seasoning the wok like I do most of the time, and basically provide it as like an insurance policy. If you're not familiar with this method, you can take a look at this video. I let the oil to smoke gently before I add the chicken. I'm going to cook 1 pound of chicken, which is more than I usually would do. Before I put the chicken into the wok, I coat the chicken with cornstarch and lemon pepper. Coating the chicken with cornstarch is a process frequently known as velveting. The cornstarch serves 2 purposes. One is that it absorbs the moisture from the chicken. And when you stir fry, moisture is not a good idea. The cornstarch also will provide the chicken a light coating, create a slight breading for the chicken. The efficiency in cooking this chicken comes from advanced prepping. When I bring home the chicken from the supermarket, I will cut it up before I freeze them. I usually freeze an 8-ounce portion in Ziploc sandwich bags. This will allow me to thaw out the chicken in less than 10 minutes in a bowl of warm water. Even with 1 pound of chicken, it cooks very quickly. As you can see, in about 1 minute, the chicken is 70% cooked. The size of the chicken is important, and it should be cut as thinly as possible. If you cut the chicken into cubes, it will take significantly longer to cook. I'm going to season this chicken very lightly with some hoisin sauce, because I already marinated the chicken with lemon pepper before I cook them. So next, I'm going to add the color bell pepper. I'm adding the color bell pepper way at the end because I want them to be minimally cooked. The bell pepper adds flavor and texture to the dish, but more importantly, that it also adds color to the dish. The total cook time of this dish is a little bit over 3 minutes. So as you can see here, by making some minor modifications to the basic chicken stir-fry template, you can create an entirely different dish. By adding the lemon pepper has another function because it causes some charring on the surface of the chicken. This gives the chicken some grill-like flavor as well as some grill-like appearance. So by using template-based cooking, you can make all kinds of adjustments, both in terms of the ingredients you add to it, as well as how you season the dish. Next, I'm going to garnish the dish with some scallions. The scallions add freshness and color to the dish. Therefore, it is much better to put the garnish right on top of the dish rather than put it into the wok. When you use my fast cooking system with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, you can cook almost anything you want. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.